This is the Corey Eady in the rain with his green Berkeley Locksmith jumper suit trying to unlock a 98 Honda Accord. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is real live rain. He said, I'm going in for a close-up. This is me live. I am in the rain. This is me live in the rain. So Corey, how you feeling? Corey?
I'm trying to get it.
This is live action, ladies and gentlemen. This is live action Berkeley Locksmith. We can't describe the tool that we are using, but it is a real tool. I'm going back inside. It is raining really hard. I am still locked in, ladies and gentlemen. I have a great look at Corey as he's still trying to get into this 98. Corey, you got anything to say?
It's hard out here, man, but it's fair. It's a job. I'm glad I got one.
Turn down the music. That is real rain, ladies and gentlemen. Real rain. Different king. Now Corey is using the tool to try to get in. You would think breaking the window would be easier. This is live action. I wonder if I can zoom in on the Corey. Thank God there's no customers around. It's just us locksmiths. This is real life documentary. Is that he's pulling the handle? Did not happen. Come on, Corey. Only 2 minutes has went by thus far.
Hey, cut the documentary.
He cut the documentary. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see over here, that is real water coming from the heavens on the ground. Back to the Corey Eady. For those of you that don't know the Corey Eady, he's a proud graduate of Timberland High, the class of 2001. He got it! He got it, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna have a close day in the rain. We're about to speak with Corey live. Corey, what was the hardest part? Was it the rain or the lock? Could you please describe to us what you were feeling and doing as you was trying to get it?
Well, you see, in the rain, you gotta take precautions on these days, man, because your tools can slip. You can easily break a window. Things can happen, man, but you gotta always remember this right here. You gotta stay focused, guys. You gotta stay focused.
Go Eagles. And we're clear.